Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Queen Elizabeth II. Early life and ascension. Queen Elizabeth II, born Elizabeth Alexandra Mary on April 21, 1926, in London, England, is known as the longest reigning monarch in British history. She ruled for 71 years until her death on September 8, 2022. Elizabeth was the first child of King George VI and Queen Mother Elizabeth, who were originally the Duke and Duchess of York. Elizabeth became queen at just 25 years old, after her father died on February 6, 1952. Her coronation took place on June 2, 1953, in Westminster Abbey. This event was special because it was the first coronation to be shown on television, allowing millions of people around the world to watch. Marriage and family. On November 20, 1947, Elizabeth married Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh, her distant cousin. Their marriage faced some criticism due to Philip's background, but they had a strong partnership and 4 children: Prince Charles, Princess Anne, Prince Andrew, and Prince Edward. Charles, born in 1948, later became King Charles III, while Anne became known for her charity work and love of horses. Challenges during her reign. Throughout her reign, Elizabeth dealt with many changes in the world, including the independence of several countries in Africa and the Caribbean. She worked to modernize the monarchy while keeping its traditions. Elizabeth connected with the public through speeches, royal tours, and participation in important events. During World War II, Elizabeth and her sister Margaret moved to Windsor Castle. In 1940, she made her first radio broadcast, speaking to evacuated children. This early connection with the public helped shape her later royal duties. Over her life, she participated in many public appearances, including military inspections and charity events, showing her commitment to her country. Family scandals and public scrutiny. Elizabeth faced challenges, including family scandals, especially the troubled marriage of her son Charles to Princess Diana. Their relationship attracted much media attention, and Diana's tragic death in 1997 led to intense public scrutiny of the royal family. Elizabeth was criticized for her initial response, which led her to address the nation and change the monarchy's image. Legacy and final years. Elizabeth celebrated several important milestones during her reign: her Silver Jubilee in 1977, Golden Jubilee in 2002, Diamond Jubilee in 2012, Sapphire Jubilee in 2017, and Platinum Jubilee in 2022, marking 70 years on the throne. Each jubilee was celebrated with national festivities, showing her popularity and the public's affection for her. Queen Elizabeth II died peacefully at her Balmoral estate on September 8, 2022, at the age of 96. Her death marked the end of an era, and she was succeeded by her eldest son, Charles, who became King Charles III. The nation mourned her passing, and her funeral on September 19, 2022, was attended by world leaders and watched by millions around the world. Elizabeth's legacy is one of stability and gradual change in the monarchy. She famously said, "I declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service," showing her dedication to her role. Throughout her reign, she emphasized unity, resilience, and the importance of adapting to change while respecting traditions, leaving a lasting impact on both the monarchy and British society.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.